One thing that I really enjoy at West Bend, you'll see it everywhere throughout West Bend in all the different divisions, is really the collaboration between all the different associates. In insurance, there's a lot of different complex problems with all the data and rules and different ways to interface with insurance. And that results in a lot of complex problems. And it's just really awesome to see everyone being so ready to challenge the norm and push each other forward to solve these complex problems. So that collaboration is really awesome and, in my opinion, rare to see at a company. One thing that I wish people knew about IT at West Bend and kind of IT overall in insurance and other industries is how central and important these IT solutions and technologies are to common interactions with businesses and experiences. For example, if you look at someone submitting a claim, say you just got in a car accident, that's a very unfortunate event. You want to feel like you're taken care of by your insurance company. So you want that experience to be seamless. You want to feel comfortable and assured that your insurance company is going to take care of you. So that's a lot of complexities in business processes with the claim adjusters, etc. And there's a lot behind the scenes IT solutions, technologies, infrastructure that stood up to support those business processes. So I started at West Bend nearly 5 years ago as an entry-level engineer, which we call application developer here. And I started off and my specific focus was our commercial lines IT organization vertical. And some of the work that we did there was kind of enhancing underwriter efficiencies using OCR technology to enhance the efficiency of ingesting policies and data information. Since then, I've transitioned, had a little bit of a journey, and now I'm a team lead on something that we call our enterprise app dev team. So instead of delivering capabilities directly to our business, now my team focuses on delivering capabilities to our engineers that help increase their experience as an engineer, developer experience, and allow them and enable them to develop business capabilities sooner, quicker, and safer. In my role as a team lead on the enterprise app dev team, I'm interacting a lot with other teams, engineers, their architects, the other team leads, managers, etc., to understand what capabilities are coming down the radar. And potentially there's use cases so we can build this solution once and scale across the entire enterprise. An example of this might be how you log into an application. We really value the security of a user and that user's identity. We don't need every team to develop that own solution that creates a lot of potential vulnerabilities. So that's one area that we identified that we built once and extended across the whole organization. So no matter how you log into that web application, you can rest assured that it's done in a secure manner. Well, I think insurance is an industry that has a lot of really interesting use cases and variety. There are some industry standards such as like ACORD, paperwork, forms, etc. But there's a lot of non-normalization of paperwork and data as well. Combine all that, that's complexity, and there's tons of data that comes in. If you combine that with all the different rules that are involved in insurance, each state has their own set of rules. Each line of business, whether that's your auto policy, your property policy, commercial line policies, those are all different sets of rules. So we have tons of data, we have tons of rules. There's also a ton of different ways to interact with your insurance company. I can jump on my phone, call West Bend, I can log into our portals and interact with my policy information or see my claim status. There's all these different ways to interface with insurance. What was the question again? All this different variety creates a tremendous amount of challenge for our IT organization to keep up with the business and allow it to be adaptable to industry norms. It challenges us every single day to try and understand what's the best architect for the business outcome that we're trying to achieve. And how does this architecture set us up for future success, not only for this current use case, but for future use cases. As I said before, there's tons of different variety and challenges in insurance and IT and insurance. And West Bend specifically is going through a big modernization process. We're growing up from being a small company to a mid-size insurer, and we want to become a larger insurer and enhance our efficiency and expand our growth. Because of that, we have a lot of large technology initiatives. How can we enhance our API presence? How can we create more scalable software? These challenges just give great opportunities for technologists to dive in headfirst, challenge their knowledge, and continue to expand on their knowledge as well. Learn new industry standards, new industry patterns, and integrate that back into the business problems that they're trying to solve to create business capabilities.